आज मैं आपको लेके आई हूँ अलीपुर सिचुएटेड टाइनी टॉट्स में। आज बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। आज है एनुअल रेकी मीट, जो कि साल में एक बार होता है। दूर दूर से लोग आते हैं जो काफ़ी दिनों से रेकी की प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं। रेकी से उन्हें काफ़ी फ़ायदा भी हुआ है। एक दूसरे से बातें शेयर करते हैं, अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस शेयर करते हैं और एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट करते हैं, इनकरेज करते हैं। चलिए हम भी चलते हैं और उनकी राय सुनते हैं, उनके अनुभवों को सुनते हैं।
शरीर में प्रवाहित होते हृदय से निकलकर हाथ में आते एनर्जी के साथ रहे, फील करें, इसका इफेक्ट फील करें।
I underwent surgery in March 2007. After that, I went into deep depression. It was very difficult for me to come out, and I had come to Guruji also for Reiki. He had given me Reiki again. I did second degree again. I took attunement again from him, and from then on I continued Reiki. Now I've got a very good job, and I'm working, and I'm very happy, and the depression is totally gone. Reiki has helped me a lot.
I had learned first degree in 2007, so it's about just a little more than 1 year that I'm practicing Reiki. Actually, I had a major operation again in March 2007 itself, and actually I got married in January 2007, and soon after 2 months there was a small ailment over here, a cyst kind of thing, but then the operation got very critical, and the medication, doctor said they were not even sure how long the medication is going to continue. In order to stop relapses, they put me on very heavy antibiotics, for which I had very severe side effects. Actually, I don't really like even recapitulating those days of pain. I was in too much of pain. A mental setback was also there because it was soon after my marriage. I found it really very, I teach in a college now. I found it really very difficult to continue with my job also, although I did that with the help and support of my husband. But then it was a mental setback. I used to vomit the entire day, and my uric acid level had gone up. When I had come to Guruji, I couldn't even walk properly. My husband actually helped me and brought me to this place. And then I started practicing. I did first degree in December, and then in February next year, 2008, I did my second degree. There was a gradual improvement, although still I'm on medication. I make it a point, in spite of all my tasks, to do full body Reiki every day, and if I cannot due to the other commitments I have, I manage to do at least chakra balancing every day. I have found a gradual improvement in my health, number one. The side effects are more or less now gone, although I'm still on antibiotics. I find it much easier to tackle the effects. Since I'm on antibiotics for 2 years, I really am very tired from within. Like, I have all the medicines today also, I need to have the medicines over here also. But still I find it easier to tackle the side effects, that is it. And I'm still practicing Reiki, and every passing day I find there is some change, not only in the, not only physically, mentally also. I think my vision has got clearer than before. The idea about pursuing life, I suppose, has changed than it was previously. Certain things which are not very clear previously, I find it easier to deal with today. That's I suppose that's the best part, even more than the physical aspect, which is improved. This side, I am very grateful to Reiki for this aspect of having a clearer vision and understanding certain issues more clearly than I used to understand before. That reason. And apart from this was a major thing. I use Reiki for giving distance healing to many different small issues in life which I face every day. If I have a big seminar to conduct, or if any kind of thing which I find a little bit difficult to perform, it is performance from, I always use distance healing before that particular activity, and always found that very, very helpful. For that reason, I keep Reiki as a part of my daily activities, and it's really very helpful.
Pass into the other person's body. Let this whole circle get charged with energy and feel the flow. Okay? Attitude of gratitude. Generally, see the divine white light coming, flowing into you. Request Reiki to flow through your hands to charge this circle. And everybody present, put your hand on the shoulder of the person. Quickly put your hands, make the circle complete. Feel the energy flow passing through you. Maintain this circle, close your eyes, आंखें बंद होंगी और एनर्जी को अनुभव करेंगे. Continuously let Reiki pass through you. Touch को maintain करेंगे. सोचे किसी का रिलेशनशिप अच्छा हो जाए, आप सोच सकते हैं दोनों के बारे में और रिलेशनशिप इंप्रूव करेगा. किसी का कोई काम होना है, कोई एग्जाम दे रहा है बच्चा, उसका एग्जाम अच्छे से हो, आप सोच सकते हैं रेकी जाएगी उस बच्चे को मदद करेगी. कोई हॉस्पिटल में है, उसको आप भेज सकते हैं रेकी के डॉक्टर अच्छा काम करें और ऑपरेशन अच्छे से हो जाए. रेकी जगह पे जाकर ठीक ठीक काम करेगी. सो यू हैव ऑल दिस एंड हाउ डू यू डू इट? वेरी सिंपल. मैं रिकलेक्ट करा रहा हूं, कंफ्यूजन नहीं. आपको ये बताया गया था, पहले एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड करो, 5 धन्यवाद देने के बाद 6 नंबर धन्यवाद ऑब्जेक्ट को. यहां ऑब्जेक्ट आपके पेशेंट हैं. उसके बाद व्हाइट लाइट को कल्पना में देखना, वो आ रही है रेकी, इसे इंटरेस्ट यू, फीलिंग योर हार्ट. अब कल्पना में देखो कि वो हार्ट से निकल रही है और उसमें अपने ऑब्जेक्ट को देखो. सिंबल मंत्र का उनके ऊपर प्रयोग करें और जो प्रयोग करेंगे उसमें जब सिंबल मंत्र अगर आदमी को दे रहे हैं तो उनका फोरहेड अच्छी जगह पे बताया दे सेंसिटिव है. एक्सपीरियंस शेयरिंग में करनी चाहिए, लेकिन मैं बता रहा हूँ क्योंकि बात डिस्टेंस रेकी की हुई। एटलांटा में एक लड़का 13 साल का, 13-year-old child in Atlanta, he was admitted to a hospital, US hospital, with a brain problem and destined to be given surgery in next 2-3 days or 4 days time. Mother rang me up. She was full family is Reiki family who had learned Reiki in Calcutta, Indian family, gone there. So they approached me and I sent Reiki for 5 days. The 5th day Reiki was given. What can happen sometime? Don't trust this miracle. Miracles are not to be taken for granted. It happens because of His blessings. Experience energy. जो दे रहे हैं वो भी हाथ में फील करें, डिस्टेंस दे रहे हैं और डिस्टेंस फील करें, फील एनर्जी, एवरीवेयर फील एनर्जी।
आज के हमारे इस एपिसोड में हमने कुछ चुनिंदा लोगों के अनुभव को आपके सामने रखा। होप वो सब देख के आप भी इनकरेज हो गए होंगे और साथ ही साथ रेकी पर आपका विश्वास भी अटल हो गया होगा। अगर आप पर्सनली इसे एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहते हैं तो हर वीकेंड्स में यानी सैटरडे संडे को रेकी की क्लासेस कंडक्ट की जाती है ग्रैंड मास्टर अमर कुमार द्वारा। स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश हो रहे नंबर पे आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं अधिक जानकारी के लिए और अपना नाम भी इनरोल करा सकते हैं। रेकी के बारे में आप और भी कुछ जानना चाहते हैं तो वेबसाइट www.reikikendra.com पे लॉगिन कर सकते हैं। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अगली बार तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। नमस्कार।